Go to PS5 and Xfinity's fastest speeds, but still seeing network error. So Xfinity's high-tech gateways use advanced IPv6 settings that can actually block the PlayStation network from loading properly. And today I'm showing you the EasyLink method and the one secret setting you need to toggle to stop those annoying sign-in errors. Right, and firstly let's get you on home Wi-Fi. On your PS5 you need to head to the settings, then network, and then settings again, and then set up internet connection. Then find your Xfinity network name in the list. Then press the options button on your controller while hovering over your network and change Wi-Fi frequency bands from automatic to 5 GHz. This prevents the PS5 from hunting for 2.4 GHz signals, which is the #1 cause of lag spikes in, for example, online games like Tekken 8 or other GTA titles. Enter your password and run the test. And then if you're using a hotspot, just connect to the open network. It will say failed, ignore that. So go to settings, users guide, as shown here, and then a users guide again. After that, this forces the hidden PS5 browser to open. The Xfinity login portal will pop up. Sign in with your Xfinity ID there, and this should get you back into the game with zero lag. If this Xfinity guide helped you level up today, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe.